3, if you do, then just tell me.
Okay, ready, guys? Ready? Here we go. I'm half nervous. Okay, ready? I can do it. I can do it.
Ashley?
It didn't work. Hold on, I got this. I got this.
Please not gonna be changing, okay? Come on.
God, no, you want to see that. Okay, ready? Here we go.
You're just jealous because of this one over here. This one over here.
I want Ashley's food.
I don't have one. Oh, I have a little bit.
Hi, baby.
Yo, that's me. You're horrible, Jordan.
Here we go. Ready? One.
Haley.
Oh, no, I got it.
That's so weird. Yeah. But they're all we got because the seniors are gone now. So I guess we got a little fun.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go!
And McKenna. We can't forget McKenna.
Ready? Here we go. Stop it.
Ashley, stop it.
Stop it, Ashley. Stop it, Ashley. Can't re-
I thought you were more for good. No.
Wait, you go on that side, I'll go on this side. What?
Oh my, please don't.
No! Okay, do it. Ready?
Please don't.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Watch out, I don't want to kick you.
Jordan, this is worse than the Kmart video.
I know.
It's funnier.